Hi, this is Euro USD. Yesterday the price broke the trend line and retraced going into Asia. So I'll draw my support here. So here was the retracement here. So that's why I draw my support here. This is the way I draw my support. Maybe you all might have different way of drawing. And here there's another. This is a low, and here there is a bit of. So I draw here as well. So now for today price has moved up. Let's see about how price unfolded during. So this was the retracement yesterday after breaking the trend line, and then it went into consolidation. Even going into London Open also it was in consolidation, and then it broke the structure here. This was like it was very difficult to trade here, this part here, because it was going up and down. It was like very volatile, like the movement. So here finally the market structure broke, and this one and then the price retraced here, which is here. This is the previous day high. It's near to the high, which I think acted as support when the market moves up. So this was the trade here. This was at 11:30 a.m. here, and then there was another retracement as well here. This was for New York, and then it moved away. So now on 4 hour, this trend line, now I have to draw this way. I'm going to delete this trend line. So until price break this trend line down and then give a bit of pullback like a retest, then I'll be a seller. On the higher time frame, it looks it is still down here. It is just a retracement, so we will see how price unfolds, because as long as price respect my trend line, then it's still a buy. If it breaks and then give a bit of retracement, then it's a sell. So here's the entry at 11:30 a.m. and then New York was here. So market structure broke here. It was in consolidation. This part here was very volatile. This part, it was like going up and down until it broke. So previous day high acted as support here, and this is the New York entry about 2 p.m. Now going back to 4 hour. So this, I've drawn a trend line here. So until this breaks, it is still a buy. This is cable. Cable broke the trend line last Friday, and it went into consolidation, and yesterday it moved up. It was quite a big move, and I think it hit its target or whatever, and it went into consolidation. Today it didn't move much. This was the move yesterday, and then it retraced. So I drew my support here when it retraced. So this is the support line that I have drawn on my chart, but it did not move further up yesterday. Let me see how much was the move. Yeah, this was the move, big move. Yeah, on nearly 170 pips. So that's why it went into consolidation today. So there's nothing much on cable today. This is Swiss C. So yesterday it broke the trend line and it gave a nice pullback as well. Let's look at it here. It broke the trend line and gave a nice retracement. There was a trade here. This was during a late, no, actually it's during New York. And then here, today's price action is here. So this was yesterday's low. It acted as resistance because the market was going down. Previous day low here during London Open. It was here, just like euro. It was quite volatile here, and then it dropped, broke the market structure here, and this one was at 11:30, same as euro. The trade for London was 11:30, and then followed by, there was one here for New York at 1:15. So now going to 4-hour. So this is the previous support, and then here support, and this here. I've got one more here to draw. So you can see the price has just dropped. So this trend line I have to go to turn to this side. Okay, so until price breaks this trend line to this side and then give a bit of retracement, until then this is a sell. This is Aussie. Yesterday it broke the trend line, you can see here, and it gave a retracement here. I've drawn my support here and one here as well. Just go into 4-hour. So this is where it broke the trend line and retraced. And during Asia, it was in a range, and market structure broke here for today. It broke and then gave a retracement here. This was at 9 a.m. GMT for a trade. So this is, I've drawn the trend line this side. I have to take this, remove this away. So until this trend line breaks, it's a buy for me. And this is like going very sharp. Don't like this, the way it moves. Anyway, so that is Aussie. This is Kiwi. Even though it has broken the trend line this way, I've drawn this way now because it's going up. I don't like, very messy here. Consolidating. I don't know what is going on here. So I don't like Kiwi. USDCAD, nothing going on. It's still in the range. Even though it broke here, but still in the range, and there's nothing interesting here. EURGBP today broke the trend line. Moving up. So it broke here. This is the part that it broke, and then it's moving up. this part here broke the structure here and moving up. Dollar broke the structure here yesterday, and then there was a retracement, and today it dropped a bit. This is yesterday's low and acted as a resistance. The entry was 11 at 11:30 a.m. Same as Euro and Swissy, all around the same time. So this one, let's all turn to the side. So until this trend line is broken again, it is a sell. So this one need to break this trend line and then is a buy. Until then is a sell. This is GBPCHF. Last week was moving up, and then this was the high. So there was a break of trend line here, and it today is dropping because of the Swissy is dropping. That's why this is dropping as well, and cable is on hold. So this is the here 9:30, and then it dropped. Okay, that's all for now.
I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for you.